Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
Okay, Trekkies, what we have here is a new phaser build. It has a 3.189 watt blue laser with special lensing so that it's a pinpoint all the way, a specialized sound module, and an optional power feeling module that will give you a power, kind of a buzzing feeling in your hands. Makes it feel kind of cool when you fire it. It also adds a little to the sound. It has 2 rechargeable batteries in it and a very specialized heat sink that allows it to be fired, roughly up to 2 minutes at a time without it getting hot, which is pretty rare on most of these. So we're going to have a special effects section here coming up next that'll show you popping fireworks, burning, shooting it down the halls, and a few other little things. So that will be coming up next. So enjoy. Thank you much. Okay, here's the special effects section. We'll start by burning a couple of holes in a box. Just to give you an idea how powerful this is, I was about 10 to 15 feet away from this box. The box, when you see it, you'll notice it's fairly white, and lasers don't usually burn that well on a white box. And if you notice, there was quite a long firing time. This next one will be quite a bit longer than that even. And as you see, if you sit here and watch the whole thing, you'll notice the burn spot starting to develop on a fairly long burn section that I did. And now for the second funnest thing I do. I'm going to pop some balloons. I'm standing out at about 20 feet away when I pop these balloons. Now for a little more boring. Even though it doesn't look like much, it gives you an idea of its power. I'm about 60 feet away from the back one. The next wall, I'm about 20 feet away, and the first wall, I'm about 10 feet away. Okay, now for some flash pots. I'm out at about 10 to 15 feet away from these flash pots. And now the big flash pot, I'm about 15 feet away. If you're interested in purchasing this particular laser, you can email me at the email address at the very end of this video. I will answer your questions. I will not tell you how it's built, just I've put a lot of time into it. So thank you very much.